Be upset.
Huh?
Just upset. Be upset.
He about to fuck with him.
Love rebound. Love turnover.
Okay, JR. Playoff mode. Okay. Oh shit. Where the kill skate? He re-throws it back out. Hell, he talking about come on for it.
No impressive error. Who was that turnover on?
Good shit. Okay, JR. Ain't about to be able to stop that boy.
My class has been working for you, I see. Oh.
First one was the fluke. These motherfuckers do not know how to run.
Who they call foul on? Calvin, who's the foul on?
John.
John. He actually fouled him 3 times.
Okay, I got it. There's John again.
If you get sour, I definitely get a sub. If you bring in sour, I get a sub. He's sitting this big red ass on the bench.
Hey, you already got a sub. Yep, you're second round pick and show.
But I got a sub. He hasn't been here all year, though.
He's got a hard time. McDonald's played that one time.
I am not giving you Scott Sauer for dude I've never seen.
I ain't never seen him shoot.
Chris Harden's good. It's his cousin. Maybe it's like a model of Lorenz.
Yeah, the Lorenz stuff. So I hope it's not that, actually.
Hey, if this counts, I was out with Sauer last night till about 2:30 in the morning. He told me all he's gonna be good for is boxing out and rebounding. I said that's perfect.
I do not want him to box out into a rebound.
What'd you say?
I don't even want anybody good for him. I'll take his brother. I would honestly take his brother.
T. Hayden?
That was just a missed shot or whatever.
Yeah, missed shot.
I'll take G. Hey, how many points do they have?
Keep counting. Keep counting. Keep counting.
Hey, you played for me earlier in the year. Just keep playing.
What happened?
Yeah, they got 7.
It's 7-5, man.
You want to play with your brother today?
Early. Gonna play on the Dragons today? Play against the Godzilla.
Alright, I'll say you can have Scott if I can see it. Alright.
Deal.
Scott's sour. Yeah, you got the guard the whole game.
Hey, he's gonna reek of alcohol. He's just gonna...
So does T. It's perfect.
Is your team showing up today, Rob?
Like I said, Aaron told me he's going to be here. Yeah.
How many hours away? It's hard enough here? Yeah.
No, nobody. Right now, it's you guys against me. And T.
That sounds great.
He was working, Bryce said.
Right now, it's scary.
Rebound Noah.
Miss
I'll
Noah.
be down there with you. Whose team? Your team? My team, yeah.
Oh my God.
Can I shoot 35 threes? You can shoot as much as you want, man. I honestly don't care. It took me an hour.
Nah, that's just one.
Who's foul out?
It's on 3.
That's one of them.
That's one. They said the first one was on John.
That first one.
They said the first one was on John.
Yeah, don't be trying to give people fouls. Watch out.
They said it was John.
It was John.
John wrapped him up.
Yeah. He said.
That's love.
I've already got him.
Turn around.
That's your brother next to him and shit.
Sims and shit.
Don't they look like twins? Who? Jackson and D. Sims. Yeah.
20%, yeah.
Not yet. This might be the team seated. Number 1 on the way. Actually, they're number 2.
We number 1. We number 1. Oh shit. Oh.
Who's the designer?
Good take, Courtney.
Fouled out a couple times.
John.
They are?
Shot.
Good shot. Yak yak.
You can tell he's a rookie. He didn't yell by himself. He's not accustomed to the league.
Hey, Rob. Yo, you want to just forfeit?
I might. Right now, it's like you guys.
Just do that.
Me and T against you guys right now.
Still got 35 minutes.
Hey, I was here. I was gonna stand up.
That was a great foul.
I was gonna stand up and walk on the court.
I don't believe it though. I don't believe it was showtime. You got to show me.
Clear foul.
You got to show me.
There's no line. He was in front of him though. It doesn't matter. He was in front of him when he fouled him.
Calvin.
No, it's not.
He's a hey, Les. He's a what's the name official, man? He overrules you. He overrules you.
What's his name?
He overrules you. He overrules you.
Sign it.
Okay.
You got a point to your head.
Sad.
Nice. Get that.
Calvin's the best.
Did he? So he didn't buy shoes to match his jersey.
For the turnover.
The fuck wrong with him? That motherfucker a hop, jump, skip,
And then dribble.
gallop,
And then dribble.
and then put the ball. And one!
We're doing this.
No, it ain't the same.
Next week is semi-final.
My final.
You hit the free throw?
Yeah. What are you saying? Okay, Courtney, foul. What are you saying?
On who?
No.
T. What's that 7?
You gonna play in GC?
So that's how she scored the Tiger Woods. Led them 20 to 8.
That fucking that's the one to get in the game and kill this fucking momentum. They playing that way. That motherfucker got in the game when he's trying to hoop. Bro. And that fuck, I shouldn't have got fucked up by it, but I did. But fucking just, cause that was I'm like, man, what the fuck? Why we got the fucking reserves in the game? And we fucking, you feel me? And y'all come in and I couldn't even hoop. I'm glad your ass stayed focused. Good shit, JR! Oh, that was. He had his hand on the ball.
That wasn't even no foul. Overruled that.
That wasn't no foul.
That wasn't no foul.
Good shit.
That's why hey.
He had the ball.
Game, man. That's the prime. That wasn't even a foul. He hit
JR, hit your free throws, man. Look how he do his hand. Highlight! Oh, sh. You sad, man. I done turned the camera, almost broke it.
Yeah.
What you mean, no? Time out. They said no. How you gonna let your fucking players?
Hey, go timeout. Next ball.
It's a dead ball now.
It's dead, right?
Yeah, go ahead.
Too late. Too late. I mean,
I swear.
Oh, no, never mind. Now he doesn't want to.
They got the ball right there.
Not this. You got time out. Okay, good D. Why he got on number 23?
that's too on in there. Time out. Nah. Still don't want it. No timeout. No timeout. No timeout.
Instead of just calling timeout, just tell us no timeout every time you don't get a shot.
I'm glad I didn't call the timeout.
Call that. And one. Sub after the shot.
Courtney. You and Mike switch up. No, Mike.
Who's 69 in those?
Man, you 69. I mean, JR.
Alright, that's fine. We good, baby. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, if you gonna rest now, it's time.
Plenty of it.
JR. I swear. JR. Two.
John got coached.
Now, last one, even touch it.
Yak, yak.
I like how you keep it track
Get that fucking ball out of this one.
Yeah, we good. You don't get it. Huh? You don't get it point, bro.
What was that? It was trying to love.
Come on, Courtney. To the rack. Oh! How many fouls you got?
41?
Hey!
Dominique, that's 4.
Dominique!
Yep, you got
Dominique!
Get him out of there!
We got 4.
Get him out of there!
Damn. We got the 4.
Get him out of there!
4. 4. Yeah. Y'all gonna need that boy. Yeah, they got one.
He can stay in the game.
You gotta get it, Tech.
But if he has 6, he can't. What? There we go, man. If he has 6 players.
Yeah, it gotta be.
That jersey is stinking.
I know, man.
At first, I don't smell it. Then I got him on. I said, whoa.
What is that fragrance?
Both of them?
You're fucking stupid.
Yep, good deal. Let's go, fellas.
3 seconds.
Yep, there you go. Good defense, fellas.
This dude.
Oh! Ain't nobody touch you. We gonna look around and shit.
Good pull up.
Give me that.
You good, baby?
Why is it 23? Man, then make another one, goddamn it, shit.
Make it an 8.
I swear. You know he can't wait to shit.
Yep, there you go. No.
No?
You said what? No.
We back. Watch weak side. Bravo.
That was a travel deck.
You're a Tebow guy? Oh my god. That's worse than I thought. You watch your jersey?
Yes, I am not Calvin.
Watch your jersey?
No, he only shirts until halftime of his second game.
Damn.
Yeah.
I don't get it. How do you know his jersey?
They smell like they've been sitting for 2 weeks.
There we go, love.
This game need to hurry the fuck up.
You drop him off at the laundromat. Then you go to Land Shark. Then you leave.
Pull up, Gus.
Yep, stay there a little bit. No, you gotta take it to one of like the drop-off services where they do it for
Back court. Oh, good save, boy.
It's all over the place.
It's like $24.
Get up, yep. I don't know about the etiquette and tipping the lady. I think you give her like $2. He doesn't have a washing machine. No, throw a water back.
Give me that shit. That was good ass, dude.
Straight inside. He hit like 3 threes in the first game. He's expanding his role. Travel with it. You ready for this 5-on-2 with your aim play?
Good D.
Yep, let him go. Paul, if none of my players show up, we're playing horse.
Dad, get a foul on.
You play horse to go to the next round?
Big.
John, that's 3.
Ron.
No, it ain't. That's 2.
Alright, hey Big. Brian, you come in, hey Josh and Josh.
All right, still got 30 minutes.
Yeah. I mean, I have it longer than that because the game is big. But I suspended my players late first half.
So.
I don't know if everybody else on the team.
What happened to Ernest?
Hey, just stop showing up. They don't even hit me back. Hey. Oh, Alex over here.
He taking it.
On the way, he said.
The other dude taking it. So you got 4.
Yeah, good shot. Yeah, like Marlon said he was going to get here this week, and in like the middle of the week he just like deactivated his Facebook. No way to get in touch with him.
Oh shit. Woo! It's on camera. Only on camera. Eat that.
Travel. That's the same thing he just did.
Hell yeah. They fucking shit. Broke Dick's hair.
Hey Josh, I think you need to
Should have got that shit.
Huh?
Got that shit.
Oh, Dex follow? I think it might be on this motherfucker.
Follow his ass.
I should have just stayed fucked the game.
More important.
Here comes the flop.
Get up, JR. What the hell?
Yo, you can see the last 3.5 seconds though.
Hey, let's foul.
I hope you foul out with 3.5 seconds to go in the half.
That was. You trying to get fouled out?
Time out with 3 seconds.
You trying to break a record, ain't you? Pull up, JR.
White ball.
White ball, white ball.
Hey,
Hey, Skates, can you do both real quick? Oh, I get something to drink. Come on, man. Bob, come do this real fast. Man, you don't like Bob, man? That's the coolest shit. Foul. Here, man. Robert, I can't call you. I don't like Bobby, man. See, you done messed the play kick with my shoes.
Uh-oh. That's what we came to see, y'all. That matchup right there.
There it is, there it is.
Don't foul.
23.
That's him over there in the toy suit. They was looking. They didn't know what you looked like. They didn't know what you looked like. Yeah, that's number 3 over there. Don't foul.
Heisman thought about it in the back.
Who's turnover on?
JR.
Come on! Go!
Yeah, argument.
Wow! Good shot! Good shot, Dio! Come on, y'all go get 3 bucks.
Down and north. That John coming over there.
He threw, yeah, it was no, he threw it at John feet.
Is that a assist? Nah, he hit the ball.
Alright. Short. He's starting to block.
Huh?
He's starting to block.
Straight?
No. Oh, he always did that.
Did he?
It's Chris Harden's play. Good take there.
Y'all hit one shot.
You got 4. You got 4.
Number 20? No. It is flopping. Yeah.
I'm going in for
That's their first foul, right, T? Of this half?
first foul this half. GTBA. Yeah, we got 4.
Who?
Dang, T
Just one.
Should have Calvin.
Good shot there.
Okay. Good shit,
40 and
Just
6.
hit a 3.
Yeah, we 30.
Dominique did.
They got it 46.
We check. Right?
Ain't I supposed to stop it at 10? Huh?
That's 3.
It's up there. Oh, no, yeah.
Look at this wood dude over here.
Playing it. Still playing it.
So,
This dude, hey, he's smooth with a
Man.
motherfucker, ain't he? He's smooth.
I don't think he's been in.
Twister!
Take it.
good shit.
Too easy.
41? Yeah.
That's the best time of all time. Reggie Miller? No, it's Reggie. No, like hilarious.
Oh, okay.
Why do you keep doing it?
He got it.
Right now.
What's the call?
Found, dude.
Foul.
John, you gotta dunk that. Zero. Drake here, Jersey Drake here. Hey, Brandon. B. Brandon.
One stop.
Brandon. B.
They can go to his right.
Brandon.
Shit, hey, D up. Mike.
Oh shit. I got over there talking to Derek.
That's why. That's really why they want to come over here. Tell the truth. But he got it now. He got it now.
Came over.
That's really why the nigga didn't want to come over here.
I'm like, oh shit.
You feel me? That's why they want to. That's really why they want to come over here.
I ain't gonna lie, that is, I'm like, damn.
Come on.
Is Prim here?
Get him next day.
Did he play in the first half?
Oh shit, no hands. They wanted to I keep thinking it's like 5 spots.
No, it seems like Cause I ain't used to getting up this early. What time is it? Like 3?
Well, time now. 15.
Boom, set your straight.
5 seconds?
10. 9. 8. Travel.
Where you use your head, boy?
Yeah, right there. Right there. Come on.
That nigga be traveling the whole time. Let's go, JR.
Oh, not to him.
Why this nigga don't set his feet, man?
You can't give him the ball in the crunch time.
Whoa.
He's pulling.
Josh, what you doing? Josh! Josh Love! Get in the game!
Courtney! Courtney! Hey, hype.
He gonna watch. 42 gonna mess up. 42 gonna mess up. Watch. Watch, he gonna mess up. He gonna blow something. Dunk on him. Good pass, JR.
Oh, that was a good ass catch.
That shit don't work.
He missed. Time out.
John's so worried about flopping. He's so worried about
That's what
flopping.
he is. That shit don't
Now
work,
23
man.
gonna mess up.
Let's go! Let's go! Go, Courtney!
Oh!
Go, Courtney!
Look at Jay. That's off of blue.
called.
Yeah, look, get me out the game. Get me. Get me. That's the shit Leo need to be on. That's that shit Leo need to be on.
Hey, man, he is such a fucking bad apple on there.
I asked him how many points he had. He was like, ah! I asked the nigga how many points he had. He was like, and they had the thing. I was like, how many points you got? He's like, shit. I was like, this nigga just don't stop doing it.
Fucking sorry. Hit these free throws, son.
On top of Bron.
Is that what that means?
That's what they look like.
You missed both? You missed one.
Let's go, Courtney. Go!
What happened?
He blocked that shit.
Who did?
JR jumped over to him.
JR!
Tag that.
JR! Let's go! God damn! Oh,
He jumped over that nigga.
That motherfucker had it on finish.
No, that was a J.R. Johnson block. Okay, JR.
He don't want to lose. Damn that motherfucker. I know he's tired of this.
Travel?
Travel! Hey! Not before y'all travel, y'all didn't.
Why he just jumped?
Calvin.
He thought he gonna get in.
Calvin.
He thought he gonna get in. He was like,
Calvin.
Shit, Dave's been on his down. That nigga, he touched his phone.
Next been talking.
Hey, Jay, yeah, no timeout. Got 15 seconds to shoot.
Hey, we got 15 seconds. Hard time? Hey, Mike,
15 seconds.
15 seconds.
Hey! Get it down there, get it down there. Down low.
Get it up. Right there, man. Start the count. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Travel like a mother. Calvin. He hear me too.
Uh-oh, JR! Uh-oh, JR! They should have shot it.
Oh, take that shot.
Oh, get on the line.
No!
They should have stoked that.
Hold that ball.
Come on, JR.
15.
15 seconds.
10.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Y'all needed that. Y'all needed that.
Okay, JR.
Go to the rack, man. Yeah, he don't shoot the three now. He's shooting the three.
He gonna hit that motherfucker on watch. He gonna hit it.
No, I don't want. No, I don't even want it.
What?
Not the shot you want.
Uh-oh. Courtney time. Courtney.
Shoot it!
There go Chris. It's cousin Willie too.
Oh, that white dude.
Got tired. He played. This is his first game of the season.
The white dude. That's his cousin?
Nah. Remember that's the dude Jason Crowder. He do them fadeaway shots.
No.
Larry Bird or somebody. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, I knew. That's dude. He played with you?
Nah, he playing with me.
He should have been.
Now they want to give it to him.
He should have had it on their last shot.
They want to give it to him.
Every time.
Hey, come on, make it easy. Make it easy, Courtney. Post up.
Damn. He missed.
Wow. Hey, put your tongue in your mouth.
Bucket.
I had to went the fuck off on that.
Dominique, get down there. Dominique, get down there.
Okay.
Post him down, Dominique. Post him down.
Go Courtney.
3 seconds.
Who?
On who?
Under a minute.
Come on, take one out. Hey, ball out. Look, yep. Hey, go get it. Get it, go get it. Get out of there, Dominique. Dominique, get out of there, Dominique. Don't force it. Don't force it.
Oh my God, God travel.
Hey, Courtney, you should slash through and get that, because he gonna force it.
Yeah, he's gonna force it.
And travel, shit.
It kind of good too, probably.
Make it easy. Move around. Make it easy.
They got a foul on him?
Yeah, they call it.
Who what?
I thought they caught a block.
Come on, y'all. Take the ball out. Come on, y'all.
23, man. Ain't gonna talk about it.
Crazy. You make Courtney take the ball off. Hey, Leo. Watch the corner, Dad. No, you got to attack that.
Oh shit.
Nice shot forward.
Yeah, come on.
Hey, Jay, he got four.
Under a minute. Under a minute. And then free throw. He's got ice water in his veins.
They have an extra timeout.
I was trying to get extra.
The next two.
So, because they only call one.
Oh, Jordan. You see him spread the leg? You should have been. You should have been good. Okay, Courtney. Sad.
No, I want the game now. We want the game now. Is that a foul?
Come on, y'all. We need to stop. Come on.
Are they gonna play for the stop though? Are they gonna play for a stop? 3 seconds. He gonna shoot.
He could have. That's foul.
He's out.
Damn, I feel you. Somebody had to do it. Somebody had to do it.
Is it 4 seasons and no head coach?
Yak.
That's who I would have put on the line though. I mean, that's who I wanted to shoot free throws. I would have had him shoot.
Hell yeah.
Noah saved him with that steal.
Man, and then you see the Jordan layup?
Oh, shit.
Yak! Come here, JR. JR. What's up, man? That's how you...
Hold on to what? What'd you hold on to?
Kazi ball, man. No excuses, just do it. No excuses. We're making examples out of boys in the playoffs. We're making examples. You an example. You an example. We won by 40. Let's go. You.
Hey, Decepticons.
Next season.
Coming to a team near you. Coming to a league near you undefeated.
Let's go.
I'm gonna actually be in shape next season. I'm gonna play next season.
What you think we ain't gonna be in shape? Huh?
Hey,
We coming harder and better.
Hey, don't listen to him. I see him make goals all the time. He living there.
That's lifting.
Be here more than me.
That ain't basketball condition.
Man, Kazi's.